How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about why is your knee making a crunching sound. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So there is a medical term, and it's called knee crepitus. That's basically what the crunching sound is. It's actually very common. A way to get rid of this, you guys, if there's no pain associated with it, if there's no other symptoms, then knee crepitus is okay. But if you do feel pain, I would go to the doctor. Ways to get rid of this is to strengthen your quads and your hamstrings. So basically, like squats would be good. Light squats, you don't want to go too heavy. Stiff-legged deadlifts, Romanian deadlifts, all of those are really, really good to get rid of this. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.